How to make Gamepass in Roblox Mobile. So if you want to make a Gamepass in Roblox Mobile, then first you need to open up your browser. You can't do that on your application, so open up your browser and go with search. Under search, you need to search for roblox.com and make sure to log into your account on your Roblox. Now go with continue in browser, which is on the bottom. And after that, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with desktop site. And make sure to go on your desktop site. Once you enter the desktop site, now you just need to simply go with create, which is on the upper right. Tap on create. Once you tap on create, you'll get the experiences option. Under experiences, now you need to go with the right side. You may have view all option, which is on the right side, but if you don't have that, simply tap on the experiences and go with your place. And once you're under your place, now go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on 3-bar and you will get a lot of options. So under the monetization, you will have developer options. So tap on the developer products, and here you will have create a developer product option. Simply tap on it, and from here you can upload the image in the format of JPG, PNG or BMP, and the image will be visible to others after moderation. And you need to enter the name, which should be up to 50 characters, and enter the description and price. And once you've entered, or once you've created that, just simply go with the bottom, which has a create developer product, and your Gamepass will be ready. So that's how you can create a Gamepass on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.